In this video, we will see how we can use the collaboration space option, which is in the class notebook. For that, you can open the team and then go to the general channel of that particular team and then click on the class notebook option link. It will take few seconds to open it properly, and then after that you have to click on this down arrow button, which is after the help menu, if you want to access the class notebook, or you can use the expand button. Once you can see the class notebook is showing over here, and after that just click on this link and then click on the manage notebook. Here it will show you the one toggle button. If you will click on this, if you will make this toggle button on, then you are locking the collaboration space. That means whatsoever you are posting to the students in that document, students can't do any editing work. If you are unlocking or just making it off, then student can do the editing work in that document. Then choice is yours. I'm just making it on, and after that you just have to close this thing. Now I'm just collapsing this tab, and after that go to the particular channel where you want to access the notebook and then click on the notes option. It will actually this link is showing in all the channels, this notes option. Then after that just click on this button, start collaborating. When you will click on the start collaborating button, and after that click on the show navigation button, this option will show in your channel. If you want to add any page related to your work, then you can add the page and then it will reflect it. Let's see again, we can go back to the general channel and then open the class notebook. Click on again the navigation button. Here when you will open the collaboration space option, you will be able to see the page which I have opened. Their section is empty. Now you can do whatever the work you want to put it here related to your class. Whatsoever you will do here, your class students will be able to see that thing. This is testing. And after that, when we will go to the notes, because there you have now the student doesn't have to go to the general channel again and again. He just have to see the your channel, and then he can get all the things whatsoever you are posted in the general channel. Suppose if I am adding one more thing in the, and just adding one more page in that class notebook, and then students don't have to go to again to see the class notebook in the general channel what you have posted. You just have to straight away go to that particular channel. Suppose here if I am adding one more page, and this is another day work, and you can add anything here. Either you want to insert any picture, any image, anything, that you can insert it here also. The time being I'm just putting it here, and after that if I'm going back to my channel, clicking on the notes option, clicking on again. This is another day work. In this way, the teacher can use the general option to do the work, or if you want to do the things here also, and if you want to give any play, this is third day work, or if you want to post anything, I'm just for the time being I'm just pasting it here. And if I want to see again, going back to the general channel and just checking the things, so in this way we are just linking the work, that it will be easier for us. If you want to unlock that option, collaboration space option, then your student can also do the work in that space. Now this is a third day work. I hope